May tao, may tao. May tao, may tao. Patay niyo. Okay, we're here. Anong pangalan mo? What's your name? Chantal. What's your surname? What's your full name? Okay, you just calm down. We were going to help you, okay? Okay. Tulungan niyo. Okay, you cooperate with us. Careful. You go with them. Uy, mag-ready ka ng pagkain dyan. You go there, Chantal. On the open area. There, you wear your slippers. Bigyan niyo ng pagkain. You eat. You just wear that. Kainin. You eat first. Chantal, you eat. Yung isang squad mag-scour. Mag-scour yung isang squad. Baka may mga, alam pa daw dyan, may mga baril-baril or kung ano man.
Dito lang. Clear naman na doon. Dito lang banda. Dito lang. Umakit sa kanila. Umakit ko na.
Doon, napan ko na doon.
Doon banda. Pinuntahan mo na din.
Ba't ka napunta dito, Chantal? Why did you come here? He's a what? Fling? Why did he take you here? In Mindoro? What's his purpose? Huh? His family? If you don't trust him, then why did you come with him?
I thought I could trust him, but he didn't treat me well, so I just ran away.
You tell us the truth. We're trying to help you, so you better tell us the truth, okay? Why did you come here?
I'm embarrassed.
Why? What are you embarrassed about?
I came here for a boy when I should have been with my family.
Okay, it's okay. You eat first, you eat. So, you came here December 27, ever since you were here na. So,
His family, and then
when did you go here?
January 31st,
December 31st?
when I ran away.
December 31st? You ran away from him?
No, January 1st. Because it was the morning when we got into a fight. And so I thought I could just walk away. But I got lost. Here.
Do you have cell phone in you?
Ito yung lagayan niya sa nakuha mo.
Sa mga po
Doon sa kanya, butas niya.
You have your cell phone with you?
Hanapin niya.
I-check nyo daw.
Wala doon. You have a cellphone? kalugay. Radyo mo kalugay.
Kaya nyo.
Kalugay! Kalugay! Iradyo mo! Kalugay! Iradyo mo! Kalugay! May ID dyan. Ganyan lang. May ID. Huwag kang lumapit yan, huwag lumapit. Papasabog mo dyan. May papasabog? Wala. May ID ba? Kalugay! Radyo ka, radyo! May ID dyan, may ID. Security. Asan?
Yan na yun.
Oh, sige. Move slowly. Miracle. Move slowly.
No, you go by yourself.
Di. Foreign po, may nahuli kaming babae dito na mukhang Tagalog, English speaking.
Itaas mo. You put your shirt up.
Di. Your hands up. Sir,
Put.
picture na sir. Ah.
Yeah, just like
Positive to sir, positive.
the belly
20,
only.
positive.
Turn around. Okay, you move there. You move there.
Tagalog, pwede, Tagalog.
Sir, yan na sir. Baka tumakbo pa eh.
You move here. Right here. You move here. Yes, you move up. Up. No. Up. Down.
Positive pwede at yung nawawala.
Tanga na, bala ko pa.
Yung jogging pass nito, jogging pass, pati ito, kasi naman nila pati.